Now we'll see the important regional party of Madras, that is Tamil Nadu, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement in 1920, was transformed into Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, a political party. In 1944, Justice Party came to be known as Dravida Kazhagam. In 1944, a group separated from this party established another party, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Another group separated from this party in 1972 and established All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. That is the present power AIDMK. Understood? So this was established in 1920. That means this is another oldest party of our country, that is AIDMK. And so many splits were there, so many separate parties they formed from this party, and presently All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam is present in power, is there in today's time. Protection of Tamil identity, member of coalition government at the center for some years. The party has support of voters from all sections of the society. It was in power for long period and implemented many policies. So many, particularly this regional party, AIDMK, this party was there in power for Tamil Nadu so many years, since so many years. We already know about so many important chief ministers, they worked for so many years. We can take example of Jayalalitha. Understood? So she was there power for so many years. So this is the main important regional party, and their main aim is to protect the Tamil identity. Understood? So this is the important regional party from Tamil Nadu. Now next, see, in India we have many regional parties in every state that have influenced the state politics. The following chart shows the performance of regional parties in Maharashtra in the election 2009 and 14. So this is the children, column is given, chart is given. That means it shows that various regional parties, they got emerged in the election as a winner in the election 2014. So you can see the party's name and election year and the seats which they won. Understood? How many seats they got? They secured so many seats. So which party which emerged as a winner, we can see left side Shiv Sena in the year 2014, they got 63, they secured 63 seats. Understood? And apart from, so many other regional parties are also there. Maharashtra Nav Nirman Sena, MNC, Peasants and Worker Party, Republican Party of Indian Bahujan Mahasangh, Republican Party of India, Samajwadi Party, Republican Party of India. You know that Minister Athavale, Ramdas Athavale, he is the main leader of this Republican Party of India, Samajwadi Party. And right side, national name of the party and seats won again, Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. They got 3 seats in 2014 election. Rashtriya Samaj Paksha, All India Majlis-e-Ittehadullah Muslimin, Jana Surajya Shakti, Lok Sangram Swabhimani Party. So these are the regional parties. This party did not exist in 2009. Which party? All India Majlis-e-Ittehadullah Muslimin. So children, in this column we can see so many regional parties, they got how many seats in the election of 2014. So many other regional parties are also working in various regions. Understood? So this is the, as it is, we belong to this state, so this is given here for our state. So likewise, so many other regional parties are also working in other state. Understood? So children, we have seen that what is the main important role of regional party, what is the important role of national parties in developing any country. Understood? In developing or establishing democracy in any country. So what is the role of these parties? How they work as a link between common people and government. So please read this chapter carefully and underline the important points and make sure that you learn about various regional parties, their logos, their objective very well. Understood? Thank you.